Here. Can you see the meat of the lechon? See, let's see if this is their lechon is really tasty. So let's try this without the suka. Hey guys, how is everybody? This is this is EJ Rekina from Eric and the Hungry Travelers PH. We are again doing a food mukbang, or we're now going to be tasting another food from Cebu City still. So this time around we did burgers last time. Karon magkaonta, or we will be eating something that's very common or very popular dinhi sa Cebu, and that is Cebu's Lechon. So I actually got a budget meal lang sa kay, and even can ready ko kakaon sa jud no og 1 whole lechon or 1 kilo of lechon, knowing that ako isa. So I ordered from Cebu's Tasty Lechon. This is the first time that they've heard of this brand actually. So muna siya I decided to try, and since nagulan-ulan man siya a few hours ago, so I also bought Lami 𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒈𝒄𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌𝒔. So sige, let's dig in na. This is going to be just quick taste test, and I'm just opening it right now. This is how their budget meal would look like. Kaya ning choose ko og spicy meal. So there, I hope na makita ninyo guys, or sige para lang sa dinikon. Muna siya ang budget meal na gitry nako, and then kanisad ang iyahang 𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒈𝒄𝒏𝒏𝒆𝒍. So makita ba? Okay, sige. Right, para sa na atay kanang. So this is their 𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒈𝒄𝒏𝒏𝒆𝒍. Charang. Right. So their budget meal, their budget meal is at 110 pesos for the spicy lechon with 2 puso. Pero say puso karon, so nag rice na lang sila og isa ka rice, and then 100 grams of lechon. So pero kung classic inyong ipili, then that's just going to be 100 pesos. So na 10 pesos difference. Kani siya I think is suka. Sige, this is sukang pinakurat na siguro. Let's dig in guys. Let's see if lami ba ang ilahang lechon. Let's first try the kuan. For those who don't know, mga friends outside of the Philippines, this is very tasty. This is one of the most popular dishes here in the Philippines. This is lechon, and Cebu actually is known to have one of the best lechons here in our country. So the first thing that you need to try really is the first thing that you need to try really is the skin. So this is how the skin would look like in the lechon. Usually it has to be crispy, and it's hunit. Crispy lang, because I opened this for a time man. I made time difference while I was doing this vlog, so I couldn't taste the spice, knowing that this is a spicy meal sa panit. But we will now be tasting the meat, and mas dako na meat. Here. Can you see the meat of the lechon? See, let's see if this is their lechon is really tasty. So let's try this without the suka. No spice there. Let's dip it in suka. Suka or vinegar, guys. Much better. I think I didn't get the spicy piece. I love spice, but this is not. There. So there's like some particular part of the lechon. This is actually the lechon belly. There's just some part of the lechon belly that is spicy, but some of the parts that were sliced, that were part of this meal, isn't spicy at all. Let's try it again. No, let's dip it in a vinegar. This is like it actually tastes better in vinegar because the vinegar actually adds more spice and acidity to the meal. Okay, so let's try their 𝒒𝒔 𝒂𝒏𝒈𝒄𝒉𝒂𝒏𝒌𝒔. So the bok choy, for those who don't know, again, for my friends outside of the Philippines, you know, guys, it's our one of our comfort food. This is our ramen for the Japanese and the noodles for kanang the Chinese, and other comfort food like that you can think of, especially if it's a cold and rainy day, or if so this is very ideal. So it has noodles, then it has, I think this is half egg, or usually this is really half egg rabiat, and then chicharon. So again, these are I forgot the word, pero kanang crispy skin. I'll look up that, no, pero anyways, crispy skin, and then in broth. So this, and you mix it. I prefer this also to be with sili or with chili, but since I already ordered this spicy meal, which is not that spicy but yeah, so let's try. Then they have like innards, or these are laman loob. What's English of laman loob? Basta, iputangan na ako na. So let's try kani. Well, it's actually pork. It's not laman loob. Okay. This one is actually, I'm not sure, 60 pesos. The soup is a bit salty for my liking. No, it's really salty. And that's just for my liking. I think you would find it very salty. It doesn't give me that warmth, or it doesn't meet my expectation of comfort food. So it's not really that good. There are a lot of bad choice out there that's better than this, but it's edible. I'd give it that. For the lechon belly, it's okay. It's yummy, but I just couldn't say this is the best tasty or the most tasty lechon here in Cebu. But for its price, this is 110 pesos. I think this is okay naman. If you're in that area, it's not naman sad Bati. It's Lami, it's yummy, but I couldn't really tell, or I couldn't really give it like, this has got to be the best lechon I've ever tasted. So no. So that's it. I'm going to finish my meal. We're going to end this video, but of course, guys, I'm asking you to please do like, subscribe, and just comment and hit that notification bell for my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on my social media pages. That's Eric the Hungry Traveler, and visit my website www.ericthehungrytraveler.com. Till our next food trip adventures, thank you so much, guys, for taking the time to actually view my videos. This is very much appreciated. I hope you all have a good day ahead, whatever time that is you're watching this video. Thank you so much, and see you soon. Bye-bye.